Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter people as a resource, that is unemployment. You already taking the story of the Sakal who is said to be unemployed, and mother and sister and brother. Miss mother no, because he is not willing to work, and sister and brother no, because they are not included in the workforce 15 to 59. So what is the unemployment? Unemployment is said to be exit when the people who are willing to work at the available wages rate but cannot find job. There are nature of unemployment in rural and urban areas. In rural areas, there are the seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment and educated unemployment. The first, what is seasonal unemployment? Happen due to the seasonal nature of work in rural areas. People are busy during the sowing, harvesting, and weeding and threshing seasons. In these seasons, the people are getting more and more employment, but in the off season they are not getting the as much work to the people dependent on the agriculture. Next, disguise employment means in case of disguise employment, people appear to be employed. They have agriculture plot when they find a work. This is usually happen among the family member engaged in agriculture activities. The work required a service of 5 people but engage 8 people. The 3 people are etc. These 3 people are also work in the same plot as others. The contribution made by the 3 extra people does not add to the contribution made by the 5 people. If their people are removed, the productivity of the field will not be declined. The field required the service of 5 people and the 3 extra people disguise unemployment. Then educated unemployment. Many youth will maintain the graduation and post graduation degree are not able to find the job in the country. So what is the situation of unemployment in the urban areas? India is a densely populated country, so the population increasing by leap and bounded, but job cannot be created in the same manner, and so the large sections of the people are left unemployed in urban area student, and it affect the youth, also lead to wastage of manpower resources. People who are asset of the economic turn into a liability. There is a feeling of hopelessness, despair among the youth, and people do not have enough money to support their family, inability to educate them, and people are willing to work to find gainful employment in the greater social. Then what the country means, what the difference problem of face unemployment is a lead to wastage of manpower resources asset for the economy turned into the liabilities. Unemployment tend to increase the overload and quality of life in individual as well as society adversely affected, and decline in health status of the people and certain area indications of a depressed economic. We also saw that. So case of India, throughout the people appear to be work throughout the year but in the professional income, and it is not educate for them. Disguise employed agriculture. The employment survey in the three sector agriculture, secondary and tertiary sector, most labor absorbing sector of disguise unemployment, and the secondary sector it become more absorbing sector due to the number of industry sector, and tertiary sector is also become the absorbing sector of the economy. Thank you.